Okay, so network engineering is all about connecting computers. It helps them talk to each other. Think of it like building roads, but these roads are for information. And, information travels super fast. This field is super important today. Without it, honestly, no internet for you. It's a key part of tech. Why does network engineering matter so much? Well, imagine your day without internet. No streaming movies or music, no checking social media feeds, no sending quick emails. Schoolwork would be much harder. Businesses could not operate well. Network engineers make all this possible. These digital connections are everywhere. Your phone connects to a network. Your smart TV does too. Even your school's computers are linked. This linking is network engineering. It allows devices to share things like files, messages, and videos. It is like a giant digital team. So network engineering is the foundation. It is the base for our modern world. It is a career where you build these foundations. You do not need to write code. This is a big plus for many people. You use logic and solve problems. You help everyone stay connected. It is a very rewarding tech job. Think about the Wi-Fi at your school, or the Wi-Fi you use at home. These are types of networks. A network engineer helped set them up. They make sure many students can connect. They ensure the signal is strong so you can do research online or finish your homework easily. Now let's talk about work networks. Many companies need secure networks. Employees need to access private files. They might work from home sometimes. This is where VPNs come in. VPN means virtual private network. It creates a safe, secret tunnel. Network engineers set up these VPNs. Have you heard of data centers? These are huge buildings full of computers. They store massive amounts of information. Think of websites like Google or Facebook. All their data lives in data centers. These centers need amazing networks, super fast and super reliable always. Network engineers design and run them. So, these networks are vital. From your small home Wi-Fi setup to giant complex data centers. They help us learn new things, they help businesses grow strong, they keep our private data safe. Network engineers are the heroes, they keep our digital world spinning. One main task is designing networks. This is like being an architect, but for data pathways, not buildings. Engineers plan how devices connect. They choose the right equipment like routers and also switches. A good design is very crucial. It makes the network fast and strong. Setting up equipment is another big part. This means installing routers and switches. It also includes configuring them correctly so they know how to send data. This is very hands-on work. You might run cables sometimes or mount devices on racks. It is like building the digital roads. Troubleshooting is a daily activity. Networks can have problems sometimes. Maybe the internet is too slow, or a connection keeps dropping. The network engineer finds the cause. They are like a detective for tech. They use tools to see data flow, then they fix the problem quickly. Keeping networks safe is super important. Hackers always try to break in. They want to steal information or cause damage to systems. Network engineers build defenses, they set up firewalls to block them. They monitor for strange activity. Protecting data is a top priority. First, you need networking basics to understand how data travels online. Learn about IP addresses, like addresses for computers, and different network types like LANs and DWANs. Next, learn about network gear. Routers direct data, switches connect devices locally, and firewalls protect the network. Use tools like Wireshark to monitor network traffic and spot connection problems. Don't forget soft skills. Problem solving and clear communication are super important for explaining tech issues and teamwork. So, how can you start this journey? Well, begin by reading books about networks. There are lots of great starter guides out there. Also, take online courses for beginners. Websites like Coursera or Udemy can really help, since they offer structured learning paths. These resources will help you build your foundation, and you can learn at your own pace. Practice is, honestly, very, very important. You can set up a small lab at home using old routers or virtual software. Tools like Cisco Packet Tracer are great for this. This software lets you build networks, practice configuring devices, and troubleshoot common problems safely. Getting hands-on experience builds your confidence super fast. Getting certified really helps a lot too. Certifications prove your skills to employers. CompTIA Network Plus is a good start. It covers fundamental networking concepts. Cisco's CCNA is also very valuable. It focuses on Cisco equipment but teaches skills that are useful everywhere. These certifications can open doors for jobs. Once you have some knowledge and skills and maybe a certification too, start applying for IT support jobs. These are often called help desk roles, and they're a great way to begin. You'll get real-world experience and can learn from senior engineers. This is honestly a really common path to success. The demand for network engineers is actually pretty high. Almost every business needs a network, from small shops to big companies. They all rely on connected systems. And as technology grows, networks grow too. More devices connect to the internet, which means there's even more need for engineers. Job security is quite good here. Network engineers can earn good money, even entry-level positions pay well. With more experience, salaries go up, and with advanced certifications too. The pay depends on your location and the size of the company, but it's a really rewarding career. Financially, it can be very stable. There are also a lot of ways to grow. You can specialize in network security, or become an expert in cloud networking. Some engineers go on to become network architects, designing really large, complex systems. You could even move into management and lead a team of other engineers. The learning never really stops. In summary, network engineering is great. It's honestly a fantastic tech job option, and you don't need to code. This makes it open to so many people. If you like solving puzzles and working with technology directly, this could be the perfect career for you. It's accessible even for beginners.